In this question, it is given that consider two rods of same length and different specific heat S1 and S2, conductivities K1 and K2, and area of cross section A1 and A2, both having temperature T1 and T2 at their ends. If rate of loss of heat due to conduction is, so we can just take it as it's not rate of loss of heat, rate of flow of heat. So a rate of flow of heat due to conduction is equal, means both the conductors are going to conduct heat energy at the same rate. Then our aim is to find out the relation between them. So we know that dq divided by dt is equal to Ka delta T divided by L. So the rate of flow of heat energy dq by dt is same in both the situations. So we can write it as it is K1 A1 and delta T is also same. So delta T divided by length L is also given as same, is equal to, we can take it as same thing for second object, K2 A2 delta T divided by L. So we can cancel this delta T and L. So we can say that the value of K1 A1 is equal to K2 A2. Because this heat conduction is not going to depend upon the specific heat capacity of that object, so we can write K1 A1 should be equal to K2 A2.